when we need to push the pause button. Grandma's porch, a place to relax, a place to enjoy. Come visit Grandma's porch. Pushing the pause button in life. Hello, y'all. I'm Diana Brienne. You know, I think sometimes we have to push that pause button in life, and when things are just not working right, and we just keep digging ourselves deeper and deeper and deeper, even though we have the best intentions of trying to resolve a situation or make it better or make a dream happen or whatever. Sometimes we have to push that pause button and take some time out to reflect, to regroup, to recharge, to reassess, to determine, are we headed in the right direction? And if we are, why are we not getting there? What do we need to do to make those changes happen the way we want? And so in life, I think sometimes we do have to push that pause button to take that time out. And some people push the pause button and keep it paused forever. And so I'm not talking about that, but I'm talking about using the pause button long enough so that we can regroup our lives. And often we will come up with great ideas, great solutions, great dreams, all kinds of things when we push that pause button. And there's other times that we need to take that pause button off of hold. So we have to know when to push the pause button in life and when not to, and when to keep doing what we're doing, or sometimes we have to change the way we're doing things. From my house to yours, from my beautiful overcast day to yours, I hope you're having a wonderful day, and please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I hope to talk to you all soon again. Bye-bye. Porch, a place to relax and a place to enjoy.